Okay, this is going to be a short video teaching you how to change the photos and also the captions on the John Sam's photography page. So once you log into the back end of the dashboard, and again, to get there, you go to connectiveworldenergy.com/wp-admin, and it'll bring up your dashboard, and you're going to want to click on Pages and then All Pages, and that'll bring up a list of all the pages that are on your site. And you're going to go down to John Sam's Photography and click that. Okay, and just to kind of give us a peek as to what exactly we're working on here. So you can see here's the photography page. If you scroll down, there's a little description, and then your gallery is here. So you've got two different galleries. You have portraits and travel, and then nature and wild horses. So down here, you're going to see this section right here, where you see text gallery. That's this text and then the gallery. This text and then the gallery. So let's say we want to change something on the portraits and travel side of it. So go over to portraits and travel, check on module settings for gallery, click here. And then it'll say there's a few different things that I don't think you really want to mess with any of these things yet. Mainly right now I think you're going to want to be updating the gallery. If you have more images you may shift this number around, but like really for right now let's just focus on doing update gallery. And go here, and then you can see here these are the existing images that are in the gallery. And so you see there's a caption section. So you've also, not to make this too confusing, but you've got the caption and then you have the title. So right now what you'll see is that the title shows up underneath the images, right? Having the caption, I think personally the caption, I mean I did some like testing to see how it would look. I think adding the caption underneath is probably too much. You know, if somebody clicks on it, they want to zoom in, we could maybe add a caption here. But I would say to just use the title. I think that's probably the better place to start. So if you want to add images to the gallery, you'd come over here to the media library. You can click on anything and then go down to the corner and hit add to gallery. And if you want to add new images, you can just click on upload files. And then you go back over here to where it says edit gallery. So let's say that we wanted to add this is a pretty awesome photo. So let's say we wanted to add this to the gallery. Click Add to Gallery, and now it shows up down here in your gallery. Right? And you can even rearrange things if you wanted this to be first. You could change the title, John and Astrud. Actually, sorry, this is going to be your caption. You would change the title down here. Right? So not too tricky. If you want to remove it, you just click the X right there, and then hit Update Gallery. And this will, so hit save is the last button I clicked, and then go over here and hit update, and that will update the page. I don't think I actually changed anything because I added and then removed the image, but yeah. So again, if you want to add captions you can. I don't know, I would say just go with titles, but it's up to you. We could talk about if you want to add in captions in another way. I would say actually for your, just to get this thing out there, you know, we've talked about like not letting perfection get in the way of progress. I would get all your images out there, get the titles on them, and push it out and get it out there and ready, and it's live and it's working. And then if you want to go back in afterwards and say, okay, let's write up just, you know, captions for everything, fine. But like your first step is get the correct images where you want them and get the titles out there. And that's it, man. Easy game.